Hello, Pike Road. I'm Gordon Stone, and what a blessing and a privilege and an honor it is to serve as your mayor. And we are so thankful that we are living in a time and in a community where people have the opportunity to get together to share special memory-creating events and activities, to honor those that are so special to us, and to create opportunities to build the skills of our fellow citizens in Pike Road. What a neat thing that we have the opportunity to do. And your engagement and your participation is what makes it special, and it is what makes Pike Road special. So let's talk about some of the really, really special things that are happening in our community right around the corner. First of all, September 6th is an important opportunity for us to showcase Pike Road to the whole river region, because our friends at the Montgomery Biscuits have invited us to come out and be a part of a community showcase or community highlight. Pike Road will be highlighted on September 6th, and they want us to come, and they've put together special packages for tickets. All you have to do is contact Jason W. at biscuitsbaseball.com, and you can get your special package. So if you have a youth baseball, youth softball, youth group at church, some group that wants to come together, have fun, celebrate our community, and at the same time watch the Biscuits and help them at this important time as our season comes to a close, then don't forget, it's September 6th that evening at the Biscuits ball field. Well, we'll see you there. Also, let's remember we have some special deadlines coming up, things that we don't want to miss. First, if you are thinking about or would like to honor someone who served this country, to honor a veteran, we have our Veterans Walk of Honor program that we showcase here at the Town of Pike Road. And we do it as a part of our Veterans Appreciation event each year around Veterans Day. But to get those bricks ordered and have them in place so that the veterans can come and participate in the Walk of Honor and see their brick, which will stay there forever, you have to order them early. So September 14th is the deadline. We want to make sure that you get your order form turned in so you can recognize that special person. And that person doesn't have to be from Pike Road. They can be a member of your family, they can be a friend, they can be from somewhere else, but it's someone with a connection here that we want to honor, and we want to say, thank you for serving. The Pike Road Veterans Walk of Honor program, where we highlight them with a brick. The deadline, September 14th. So don't forget. September 18th is another special deadline, because we know that our community loves, hey, look at us. From neighborhoods to businesses to community organizations, we have had such a wonderful turnout every year. And this year we're anticipating the same thing. But don't forget, you have to turn in your forms so that we know to make sure you get a hay bale. So September 18th. Now you can register for either or find out more about either one of those, the 14th for Veterans Bricks or the 18th for the Hey, look at us registration form by going to pikeroad.us and going to our website and clicking on those links. Now, as it relates to those two things, you can also go by Town Hall, and you can find out all you need to know there. They'll help you fill out the forms or get you the forms so you can fill them out. So go to pikeroad.us or go to Town Hall, or just send us an email at info@pikeroad.us, and we'll make sure we respond back to you. But most important, the 14th and the 18th are those deadlines. Now we have some events that are going on this very near timeline for us, and September 11th is the first one, and that is our Mondays with the Mayor. So come to the Arts Council if you want to be a part of that. It's a lunchtime program where we are on the air, live, answering your questions, talking about the Town of Pike Road. It's our goal through this radio show or through these weekly newsletters or these videos to make sure that we're the most connected town in all of Alabama. And because we do these things, we know that we have the opportunity to get to know you better. So come see us September 11th at the Arts House, or text us with your question, or even call into the radio station. We'll be live on the air with Mondays with the Mayor. And then right around the corner, September 16th through October 1st. Also, with the Arts Council in mind, we have our Quilters show, Pike Road Quilters, who work so hard all during the year to put together this great display. They'll sell their goods. They have all kind of creative quilt-related goods that are available. Come see them either Saturdays or Sundays during the time frame from September 16th to October 1st. Saturdays, they are open from 10 to 4, and Sundays from 1 to 4. So make sure you make that a part of your fall activities to stop by the Arts House and support those quilters. And then on September 19th, we have another Ag and Stewardship program. What a great relationship we have with the County Extension Service in their location now out at the Ag Center in Pike Road, and they're going to host a fall gardening seminar on the 19th. Now, many of us have squash and tomatoes and other things that we grow in the spring. Well, now is an opportunity for us to learn how to turn those spring gardens into wonderful, flourishing fall gardens. Sign up early, though, because those fill up. So make sure you go to pikeroad.us and sign up and register for that program. And then finally, September 28th, a very special opportunity for our business association. People who have been asking us to expand that capacity. Well, we're offering a relationship that we have developed with the Auburn University Center for Government and Economic Development. They're coming over and going to host an entrepreneurship and innovator seminar from 8:30 to 1 o'clock on that day. The workshop will be great for anybody either has an idea about starting a business, has a new business that they're starting, or wants to just learn how to refine what they're doing and add new ideas and new pizzazz to it. But Pike Road, this is for us to connect with each other. It is for us to reach out to other businesses around the region and invite them to come so they learn about what we have available in Pike Road, learn how to make their business better. It's just a wonderful, creative way to connect Pike Road folks, Pike Road businesses, and the rest of the River Region community. That'll be September 28th. And it's from 8:30 a.m. until 1 p.m. there at Town Hall. So make sure you sign up to be a part of this special business lunch and learn. Pike Road, we have so much going on. Our school is doing great. We're so excited about all the many things that are happening there. I want to say thank you to our teachers and our administrators, our coaches, our extracurricular leaders, all of you involved. Thanks, community, for supporting our schools in Pike Road. We appreciate what you do to make sure Pike Road is connected at every level. And that's why we do these programs. Thank you for watching. Pike Road will continue to pray for you, and we ask that you pray for each other.